Mr. Chairman, a decade ago, the bank launched a comprehensive program to revamp the payment and settlement systems, which is deemed critical for the transmission of monetary policy. The Ghana Interbank Payment and Settlement System was then established to implement and manage the payment system infrastructures for banks and non-bank financial institutions in Ghana. Currently, GIBS manages the national switch and biometric smart card payment system, that is the e-switch, the check code line clearing and automated clearinghouse systems. Today, our payment system infrastructure is among the best in the sub-region, and we are gearing to take it to the next level of interoperability, which should unleash more innovative products and services and promote financial inclusion in the country. Your Excellency, I should say I consider it a privilege and honor to be part of this important milestone in the nation's central bank, and I welcome you all to take active part in the celebrations. Thank you for your attention.
Vice President, Governor, ladies and gentlemen, the theme for the 60th anniversary commemoration, celebrating 60 years of central banking in Ghana, achievements, challenges and prospects, is appropriate and timely, especially as we celebrated the country's 60th anniversary not so long ago. Some people consider attaining 60 years as effectively the end of dreams and aspirations. But that cannot be the case in the life of a central bank. It has to be the beginning of decisive policy making after gaining invaluable lessons from the past. There are several decades ahead in the life of the Bank of Ghana as an institution, and I encourage the current management to leverage on the achievements over the past 60 years, confront the challenges, and resolve to make this institution better than it is now. I will not attempt to list the specific achievements of the bank, but suffice it to say that the bank has remained at the forefront in developing and deepening the financial market in Ghana. And it's very important for us that you continue to fulfill this role. But significant challenges remain. These include lowering the cost of funds to ensure increased investment, weeding out unlicensed institutions to engender confidence in the financial system, protecting the integrity of our payment system, protecting the safety of deposits, and broadening and deepening access to banking to many of our rural population. The need to entrench reputation and credibility in the financial system is crucial. A weak banking system undermines growth. And on this basis, the current weaknesses in our banking sector need to be addressed forcefully to minimize any adverse financial consequences to unsuspecting savers and their spillover effects on the economy. My understanding is that a roadmap for addressing banking sector weaknesses is being implemented. I urge you, as the nation's central bank, to remain committed to the process and to address the challenges confronting the banking sector. This will not only guarantee financial stability, but also promote greater confidence in that sector. Your most recent measures in intervening decisively over the matters of UT Bank and Capital Bank demonstrate your preparedness to act in a manner worthy of a responsible central bank, of a praiseworthy regulator. I'm confident that you have the support of the nation. Vice President, Governor, ladies and gentlemen, the overall vision of my government is to build a strong economy that would open opportunities for economic transformation and job creation. This broad objective would be achieved through the policies, strategies, and special initiatives that we're putting in place and are consciously executing to fulfill our agenda. Some of these initiatives include investing in critical infrastructure, building our productive capacities, and empowering the private sector through such policies as the One District, One Factory initiative and the National Entrepreneurship and Innovations Plan. It is my firm view that to sustain macroeconomic stability and rapid growth in a developing nation like ours, there must be partnership and cooperation between the central bank and government. The relationship between the bank and the government has been captured in the Bank of Ghana Act 2002, Act 612, as amended by Act 918 of 2016. While the President appoints the Governor and his deputies, as well as members of the Board of Directors, the bank is guaranteed its operational independence in order to deliver on its multiple mandate. Full autonomy of the bank, however, does not mean that the bank's monetary policies should be at variance with government's overall macroeconomic policies. With 60 years of experience behind us, I believe we should have learned great lessons, both from our own history and from the experiences of other countries about how this partnership should work. History has taught us well that monetary policy must complement fiscal policy to create an enabling macro environment, economic environment, to promote growth and development of the Ghanaian economy. Vice President, ladies, Governor, ladies and gentlemen, at age 60, whether it is in the control of the quantity of money, in managing interest rates, in safeguarding the domestic and external value of the cedi, or ensuring the soundness of the financial system, I urge the Bank of Ghana to reflect soberly on its experiences, the good times and the hard times, take lessons from these challenging times, and focus on working to promote confidence in the economy and instill discipline in the oversight responsibilities of the financial sector. Vice President, Governor, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire people of Ghana, I wish the Bank of Ghana a happy and memorable Diamond Jubilee celebration. Thank you, and may God bless us all in our homeland, Ghana.